Hey everybody, Jeremy here with blockchain.wtf. So we've done quite a few videos on gas, links down below, but the one thing that we didn't cover is why does the Ethereum Virtual Machine actually need gas in the first place? One characteristic about Ethereum and its programming language is that it is what is known as Turing complete. According to Wikipedia, a computer is Turing complete if it can solve any problem that a Turing machine can, giving an appropriate algorithm and the necessary time and memory. So what does this mean for Ethereum, or how does Turing completeness show up in the Ethereum ecosystem? Well, the Ethereum ecosystem is run by the Ethereum Virtual Machine. Kind of like how an engine runs a car, no engine, car doesn't move, no EVM, Ethereum cannot compute. Smart contracts are autonomous programs which direct which computations the EVM will execute. But there are some inherent problems with this model. The main one is what's known as the halting problem, which states that it's impossible to predict the path a program will take without running that program. It also states that it's impossible to predict if the code will terminate or result in an infinite loop. So if somebody uses bad code, whether it be by accident or maliciously, a smart contract will try to keep executing its list of instructions. So theoretically, you could have a bunch of contracts just running code with no end, going forever, clogging up the network, creating a mess. The Ethereum Virtual Machine only has so much processing power, so a mechanism known as gas was added to the ecosystem. I don't know if the name gas was picked to be tongue-in-cheek since real-life gas depletes resources, but Ethereum gas is about conserving the limited resources of the Ethereum Virtual Machine. So here's how it works. A gas value is attached to each computation requested of the EVM. As computations are compiled into a smart contract, you can estimate the maximum amount of gas that will be used when executing that transaction. So if a smart contract results in an infinite loop, the gas limit will be surpassed and then there will be nothing to fuel the smart contract, effectively mitigating the halting problem. This assures that the network is free from smart contracts with no end because they'll simply just run out of gas and stop using the resources of the Ethereum Virtual Machine. Gas price is also adjustable, and what that does is it assures that it is expensive to abuse the Ethereum network. It acts as an incentive not to run pointless transactions because that gas costs you money. And that's our video about why gas even exists. If you have any questions, throw those down below in the comments. Also hit that thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified of our awesome content, and head over to blockchain.wtf for all your cryptocurrency and blockchain information needs. I'm Jeremy with blockchain.wtf, and I will see you next time.